Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, and today's look is inspired by my homegirl Ashley. She recently wore a blurple unit that I custom colored, and I was like, yo, I want to rock that color too. So I'm taking Tequila Sunrise that you guys see here, that is like a bright yellow, bright red, orange color, and we're gonna cut her into a bob real quick and give her a new color, because even though I love Tequila Sunrise, she is a little bit bright and it's winter time. So, I'm just gonna go in with a quick little watercolor. I got my Joico, I got some Adore. I think this is Adore Royal Navy and Baby Blue, and then Joico is purple. And I'm just gonna add some boiling hot water in there. You guys already know how to do the watercolor method. If you don't, check out my channel. I have some other videos that show you how to watercolor and how to not stain your lace. So yeah, I'm just going in and cleaning up my cut a little bit with the razors. So when I do bob cuts, I like to manipulate the hair a little bit so that it falls in a bump kind of look and it's not just straight. If you've ever noticed, when you buy a machine made wig and it's a bob, they usually come like in a triangle shape, which looks kind of funky. So I just like mine to fall like a natural lay, as if it was my real hair, just a little styling techniques. Nothing crazy. But let me give y'all some tea. If you happen to buy a machine made wig, you may notice that there are hairs that don't color. So as you remember, the hair was yellow and you still see these white hairs. So that just lets you know that it's not that the watercolor didn't take. This means that there were silver hairs inside the bundles or inside the wig. This happens a lot because Indian temples have a lot of older women that are donating hair, and they have silver hair that gets thrown into the bunch. And basically, it's pretty hard for them to separate silver and not silver, and they usually just go ahead and throw it in. But when you're coloring hair, this is going to be an issue for you if you have clients that don't know about it. So if you're a colorist or a stylist, you may just want to let your clients know ahead of time. But yes, can we get into this color though? Like the transformation. Anyway, now y'all see me with my liquid gold from Bold Hold, cooling it with warm air. One of my favorite products, the Edge Saver. I love to use this to hold down my caps. I'm just going in with my scissors, gonna do the regular ball cap method. If you guys would like any detailed tutorials on any of these steps, make sure you drop that in the comments below. So today I'll be using the Match My Lace Tinting Cream Palette by Laid by Tima. You can check her out on Instagram. I love this palette because as you can see, it's very versatile, different colors, and it also helps with color correction. So even though you may think, hey, I'll never use these other colors, you just might, because if you stain your lace, you're going to have to do color correcting. But I like this palette because the color goes on very smooth, very soft. I didn't feel like I used a whole bunch of product, but I am definitely going to have another one of these because I know this medium brown that I'm using is going to be gone sooner than the rest because it's my color. But I definitely recommend this palette. Okay, so now we're going in with the Bold Hold Skin Protect. We're going to use 2 light layers of this and make sure it's dry before we go in, but make sure you clean your skin first, okay? This, along with the entire line of the Bold Hold, is going to make sure your hold is super secure and you don't get a lot of bumps and rash and irritation. So the lemon myrtle that came out with Alonzo Arnold is actually antibacterial and antifungal, which helps. That, along with the skin protect, is going to make sure you're not messing up your skin and your edges underneath your wigs, which is extremely important. So I know there's a lot of glues out there, but make sure you're using a good one. Like this one is safe to put on all the time. Period. But yeah, let's get into this melt. So this is a reinstall and my lace is already cut. So we're just going to make sure that we line everything up, press that bad boy on, and keep it moving. No matter what brand of glue you're using, you want to make sure that you always use cool air to dry the glue. So now I'm just going in with my Babyliss, my the little minis and curling my baby hairs. For my baby hairs, the foaming mousse that I like to use is Tresemme. I love Tresemme because it does not lift your lace. I have used Nairobi several times, and every time I use it, it lifts my lace every single time. So don't do it. Learn from me, girl. So now I'm just going in, doing my last little finishing touches, little hen, little hot, little, you know what I mean? Bing bong. And here we go with the final look. Like, come on, go ahead, hit that, smash that like button. Because I know you feeling this. If you not, still smash it because I said it nicely. Thank you. But yes, can we get into this color though? Like, this color is everything. Yes, guys, but you can catch this look on my Instagram channel. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so that you're down with the Love Squad. That also helps my channel grow because you guys know I'm a new channel and I'm trying to get myself out there. So support your girl by sharing, liking, commenting on this video. Make sure you also head over to my Instagram. Give me a little likes over there too, you know. Just thank you guys so much. Until next time, peace and love.